Hello and welcome to part 3 of my tutorial series on how to make a random generator using Chartopia. And this is all part of the RPG Generators subreddit August challenge to make a quests generator. And so I've chosen to use a Star Wars theme. Now, courtesy of the Star Wars RPG subreddit, I've got my subtable up to 40 rows now, which is pretty great going. So it gives us quite a few variations now. So I just want to show off a couple of things that you can do. Now obviously subcategories are getting a bit scrambled now because we're getting a few varied ideas. So one thing you can do is actually do some drag drop. And it's kind of useful for just reorganizing. Likewise, there's some menus options on the right here, so you could manually move it down, which does the same thing as the drag drop. Another useful feature, especially if you need a bit more detail than just writing here, is to link to some URLs. So being Star Wars and Wikipedia being a great source of information, whether accurate or not, who knows, you can do something like add a URL. So I had something about a swoop bike somewhere. Let's find my swoop bike. Yeah, we have swoop bike. So I've got myself a URL prepared. So with the rich text editing, it's quite simple to add a URL. And you can follow it for later reference if you need some more information about certain topics, especially when you got something with a huge amount of lore like 40k or Star Wars or Star Trek or something, or Lord of the Rings. What else we got? Yeah, so we'll keep it pretty short this time. So you may have noticed that I've had to increase my variable to count, but it still seems to be going quite fine. A few more extra rows gives more variations, and there are a few more things to talk about, but I'll leave those to a subsequent video.